this video, we are going to learn a supplementary reader. The title is Lost in Space. Lost in Space. The main characters of the story were Amudan and Nilavan. Amudan and Nilavan were the two main characters of this story. One day, these two children visited a space museum. Have you ever visited space museum? You may have visited the space museum, right? Look here, this is a model of space museum, okay? In the space museum, they saw a model of a space shuttle. This is space shuttle, okay? Nilavan found a latch in the shuttle. Latch means fastening for a door, okay? Talpad, okay? This is latch. He opened the latch and entered into the shuttle. When they entered into the shuttle, the door was automatically locked. Now they were caught up inside the shuttle. Then they had no way to come out. So they walked into the platform. In the platform part of the shuttle, Amudan saw some switches in yellow, red, and green. He asked Nilavan, "What does that big green switch do?" Nilavan told him not to touch it. But Amudan pressed that big green switch. When he pressed the switch, the shuttle burst into the outer space. Nilavan shouted at Amudan. He asked him, "What have you done, Amudan?" So Amudan asked sorry to Nilavan. Amudan thought that button will open the door. That's why he pressed that button. But now it seems that he has pressed a wrong button. So that he felt very sorry to Nilavan. Then the shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. What do you mean by asteroids? Yes, small rocky bodies orbiting the sun. Okay. While traveling in the shuttle, Amudan told that an asteroid was coming towards them. So that he told Nilavan to turn the shuttle. Nilavan doesn't know to turn the shuttle. So that he tried to turn the shuttle by pulling the lever. This is lever, okay? Suddenly, the shuttle fell on a new planet. Nilavan asked, "Are you alright, Amudan?" Amudan told that he was fine. Where was Amudan and Nilavan now? Now, Amudan and Nilavan were in a new planet, right? They must wear a spacesuit in new planet. So, they were running for spacesuits. At that time, Nilavan saw the green lights. Those green lights seems coming towards the shuttle. Later, they both were surrounded by the green lights, and that shuttle was too big. In a hurry manner, they wore their spacesuits. Actually, who came in that big shuttle? Aliens, okay? Aliens means Vettulaga Manidar, okay? They shattered the windows and took them out. Who took them out? Aliens, okay? Then the aliens told them not to get afraid. There is a problem in the shuttle and soon they will fix it, okay? Amudan and Nilavan were very excited to see the aliens who were speaking their own language, okay? The aliens were speaking the language of Amudan and Nilavan, okay? That's why they were very excited to see the aliens. Aliens told that they can read their mind, okay? They can read the mind and use that to speak their language. Then they gave a special room for Amudan and Nilavan. In that special room, Amudan and Nilavan removed their spacesuits and took rest. Then the aliens provided some capsules as food for them, okay? In Earth, we eat fruits and vegetables as food, right? But in that new planet, they eat capsules instead of food. Okay. When the space shuttle was ready, one of the aliens informed them and told to wear their spacesuits because it's time for them to go home. Later, Amudan and Nilavan thanked them for their help and they asked the aliens, "Are you coming to Earth with us?" But the aliens replied that they will see them when the time comes. They will see them when the time comes. This is the end of the story Lost in Space. Thank you.